Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Coda Tables, build interactive docs step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type Coda Tables into the search bar. Press enter to search. Locate the official Coda website in the search results. Click on the website link to open it. On the home page, find and click the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your Coda account in the designated field. Click the Continue button. If prompted, enter your password in the password field. Click the Sign In button to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. From here, you can create or access your interactive docs. Explore the user interface to familiarize yourself with the features. You are now ready to build and customize your Coda tables. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.